Good morning. Sanathan Textiles press meeting માટે તમારું બધાનું સ્વાગત. As the name says, Sanathan, it means eternal. One thing I will tell, જ્યારે અમે સનાતનમાં કામ ચાલુ કર્યું, પરેશભાઈ and basically the Dattani family, they just eat, breathe and build only business. એ લોકોનું સનાતન સિવાય બીજા કશે કોઈ ફોકસ નથી. બહુ ઓછા પ્રમાણમાં જોયા છે જે ખાલી પોતાના જે ધંધાને કેવી રીતે વિકસિત કરે અને એમાં કેવી રીતે આગળ કરે, મોડર્નાઇઝ કરે, એક જ ફોકસથી બીજા કોઈ બિઝનેસમાં ઇન્ટરેસ્ટ નહીં અને ફેમિલી સો ક્લોઝ કે તે આજે થર્ડ જનરેશન પણ આ જ ફેમિલીમાં છે, આ જ બિઝનેસમાં છે. કમિંગ ટુ ધ કંપની, વી આર ઓપનિંગ ધી IPO ઓન થર્સડે વિચ ઇઝ 19, 19, 20 અને 23. IPO મંડે બંધ થશે. ઇટ્સ અ ફ્રેશ IPO એઝ વેલ એઝ એન OFS. 400 કરોડનો ફ્રેશ IPO છે, 200 કરોડનો OFS છે. The price band will be 305 to 321. Sanathan Textiles માટે એટલું કહું કે as the name says all, they are mainly into filament polyester yarn, cotton yarn and technical textile yarn. So yarn marketમાં if you ask anybody about Sanathan, I think it's known to any and every person. And it's a huge industry, the expansion plans are going on. એ લોકોની કરંટ એક જ ફેક્ટરી છે ગુજરાતમાં છે. નાઉ દે એક્સપાન્ડિંગ ઇવન ટુ પંજાબ. સો પંજાબનો પ્લાન્ટ જે છે એ બાય માર્ચ એપ્રિલમાં કમિશન થઈ જશે એન્ડ ધેન આઈ થિંક ઇટ્સ ધ રેસ્ટ ઓફ ધ હિસ્ટ્રી. સો આઈ હેન્ડ ઓવર ટુ પરેશભાઈ ટુ ટેક યુ ધ એન્ટાયર હિસ્ટ્રી. ઓન ધ ડાયસ પરેશભાઈ, સંજયભાઈ, હેલો.
Good morning, everybody. તો તમારો બહુ આભારી છું કે તમે ટાઈમ કાઢીને અમારી IPO મીટ માટે. We embarked on a journey to build a family enterprise driven by a shared vision and unwavering commitment. From the very start, the focus has been consistently on enhancing quality and expanding capacity to meet market demand. Today, I am proud to share that our total production capacity now stands at 223,000 tons per annum, with a workforce of more than 3,500 people. At our facility in Silvassa, we now manufacture a diverse range of polyester filament yarn, cotton yarn and technical yarns. અને અમે એક જ કંપની છે જેમાં ત્રણેય વર્ટિકલ્સ પ્રેઝન્ટ છે. This growth is a testament to our perseverance and dedication over the years. What makes this moment even more significant is witnessing the seamless transition of leadership to the second generation. Samir and બીજા ત્રણ છોકરાઓ have been in the business for more than a decade and have embraced the family legacy and also enriched it. They have honored our timeless tradition by seamlessly integrating them with cutting-edge technology and automation, paving the way for a smarter and sustainable future. As we look ahead, the demand for yarn continues to be rising, driven by the fashion industry and the expansion of e-commerce platforms, which are growing at a CAGR of 6 to 7%. In response to these dynamic market conditions, we are poised to meet the challenge by commissioning our new polyester plant in Punjab in a phased manner. Once completely operational, this will elevate our total production capacity to an impressive 5.5 lakh metric tons per annum. હું સભીને ઇન્વાઇટ કરું છું કે તમને એક ઓવરવ્યૂ એક પ્રેઝન્ટેશન રન થ્રુ કરે and then we'll take up any questions. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone, and thank you for being here. હું તમને એક કંપનીનો ઓવરવ્યૂ આપીશ કે અમે કોણ છે, શું કરે છે, how we got here, and what are our future plans. So as a family, हमें yarn business में more than 75 years थी शे. My grandfather used to be the sole selling trader and distributor of yarns back in the day. My father and Paresh uncle and the other two brothers started manufacturing almost 30 years ago, and Sanathan was incorporated in 2005. हमें basically so courage. Everyone asked me, what do you do? So in simple words, we make a wide variety of yarns. We make polyester filament yarns, we make cotton yarns, and we make yarns for technical textile. But actually the most exciting part about what we do is कि हमारी फैक्ट्री में जो yarns बने छे, आपने बंदा हमें daily use करे छे, in some form or another, because we make a wide variety of yarns that are used for automotive end use, like car roofing fabric, car seat cover fabric, seat belt fabric. Then we make yarns for apparels, garments, innerwear, gym wear, luggage, backpack hoy, school bags hoy, soft luggage hoy. All those also made from our yarns. We also make yarns for parachute fabric, for geogrid fabric of construction of roads and dams. हमारा yarns fishing net में भी use થાય છે. हमारा yarns use થાય છે to make fabrics for bulletproof suits, fire retardant suits. So we make a wide variety of yarns. Of course, home textiles. How can I forget home textiles? Carpets, curtains, cushions. आज ये fabric जो chair पर लाई हुई है, all these are made from our polyester filament yarns जहाँ पर आपने बैठा है. So our yarns are used in so many applications around us. Our flex fabric, we make separate kind of yarns for this kind of flex fabric used in advertisements. So all these things are made from the yarns that we produce at our factory, and that is the most exciting thing. When we wake up in the morning, what challenges us and what excites us, that what we are making and producing at our facility is used by all of us. In the last 20 years, we've had a great growth journey. Like Paresh uncle said, we started with a capacity of 4,500 tons, and today we are at 2,23,000 tons of yarn manufacturing capacity across all three yarn divisions. But what's important is that last week's we have successfully transitioned from being just a family business to a family-owned, professionally managed enterprise. And that is very important for us in our growth journey ahead. A little bit on our three yarn businesses. The polyester filament yarn section division, that's about 77% of our revenue. Here we are backward and forward integrated. So our raw material input are petrochemicals, PTA and MEG, and our output is all kinds of value-added, fancy, textured yarns and FDY yarns. Here we yarns for all the different end use applications that I mentioned to you earlier. And our annual capacity in the polyester division is 2 lakh tons per annum. Our cotton yarn division, where we have 1,32,000 spindles of pure cotton yarn. Here we make very fine compact cotton yarn, and this contributes to about 18-19% of our revenue. And here jab yarn banawe cotton ma, it's some of the finest compact cotton yarns in the country, used for innerwear, bedsheet, shirting, very focused kind of end use applications. Third division, the youngest and the most exciting division, yarns for technical textile. Technical textiles is the new buzzword, it's the future. There's a lot of focus in India for technical textiles and also a lot of push from the government of India towards technical textiles. We are among the few manufacturers of yarns for this technical textiles. Technical textiles in a fabric application, customers grow segment in India currently. And here I mentioned that exciting end uses like seat belt fabric, parachute fabric, bulletproof jacket fabrics, fire retardant fabrics, etc. Of course, fishing nets, geogrid fabrics, and so on. So, we are unique in a way because most of the people in textiles, especially in yarns, either koi cotton banawe chhe, koi polyester banawe chhe, koi technical kaam kare chhe. But we are unique because at Sanathan Textiles, we have all three yarn verticals in one entity at one location in Silvassa, which is spread over 55 acres of freehold land. When my business full-time joined Crore almost 12-13 years ago, I had noticed that that time there were almost 50-60 manufacturers of polyester yarn. And but the same variety, same type of yarn banata, the same 10-12 varieties of yarn. But last 8-10 years now, a lot has changed. Agar aapne જોઈએ તો આપની requirement change nahi છે. There is so much performance fabrics, athleisure fabrics, luggage, so many different applications, and keeping in sync with the requirement from the consumer, keeping in sync with the requirement from the brands. Maybe value-added yarns developed in the last 8-10 years. I'll share a few examples of these value-added yarn products that we have. Ketonic dye with polyester. आज ये भी जरी था, ये designs था on sarees, on this tablecloth, on fancy fabrics. Those require a specialized polyester, so which dyes at a different temperature. We are among the few people who have an integrated setup to make ketonic dye with polyester. We all know that colored fabrics are very popular. We all wear so many colors, and generally, color matter there is conventional dyeing is a process, but it involves water pollution. At Sanathan Textiles, we have a wide range of colored yarns, but we do no conventional dyeing. With the help of low tag technology, we have a brand Bond Dye yarns. We have a wide variety of colors, and we supply to many customers in the home textiles, apparel, innerwear, and automotive segment. These colored yarns. A lot of brands prefer this because it's environmentally friendly. कोई water pollution नहीं है, chemicals requirement are 44% lower, and the color depth in these kind of colored yarns are far more than conventional dyeing. Then, as for gym wear, for athleisure wear, we have a range of dry cool yarns. You know, when jare workout kare, aap jogging jaye, so you sweat, and nowadays the requirement is that you wear clothes that repel the sweat, so it keeps you cool and dry through a workout or through a game of football or cricket. So we have a range of dry cool yarns which are largely used by our customers who are contract manufacturers for brands, and they make all the athleisure, gym wear, cricket, sports jerseys with these kind of yarns. If you have noticed, आजकल अपना jeans, cargo, shirt, all of it has a large amount of stretch because it makes us comfortable. जब कपड़ा पहना हो, it gives us the freedom of motion, it gives you a better fit, it gives you less wrinkles. A stretch क्या की आवश्यक in our fabrics? It again is something that we are able to add value to the yarn stage. Along with the polyester yarn, we add spandex to make our range of stretch yarns. Stretch में हमें colored yarns भी offer करे छे customers ने. So this is how we are evolving in Sanathan Textiles. Our key focus is towards such kind of value-added yarns of work where we can do something more basic जो अपनी varieties में qualities छोड़ी हैं, हमें सो extra करी सके, सो अलग करी सके. What is the requirement of the customers today? What is the requirement of the brands today? What are you and me using today, and how we can be suppliers for such products in the market is a key focus we have at Sanathan. And our focus mind में रखता हमें very recently we have launched our range of recycled yarns where these waste plastic bottles are converted back to flakes. We have our GRS certification, and we feel like in the coming years recycled yarns will also be a very big trend. So we've already started the journey of trials with customers and understanding this demand further. So this is a little bit about how we have evolved in Sanathan and how we work at Sanathan. On the next slide, I have some of our marquee customers. The first box is apparel, suiting, shirting customers. Second box is home textile customers. We have automotive customers. Wildcraft is a soft luggage manufacturer in South India. A lot of innerwear customers like Page Industries, who have Jockey, Speedo. Innerwear tapes, all that is also made from polyester. Separate customers are there who only focus on making the tapes for innerwear. Then we have Techno Sport, who's a leading athleisure customer for gym wear and sportswear. Homegrown Indian brand doing very, very well. But what's important is that because of the wide variety of yarns we have, and there's so many different customers in different industries and different sectors, our customer concentration is low. Top 5 customers contribute to 17% of our revenue, whereas the top 10 customers contribute to 24% of our revenue. So, our business model is designed in such a way because अलग customer की अलग demand are through the year. For example, I have a customer in Surat who makes umbrella fabrics. Any peak demand are in March, April, just before the monsoon season. Whereas my bijo customer who makes Indian wear, sherwani, bandi jacket fabric, any peak demand in July, August, just before the festive season and wedding season. So we have designed our business model and our plant and facility in such a way that we can make different kind of products on our machine. We have the different attachments and we designed the facility with that ethos in mind. And throughout the year, we run our plant at 95% efficiency and supply to all these different customers from different segments and try and catch all the different demand peaks through the year. So this facility currently is in Silvassa. It's a fully integrated facility. We have tried to incorporate a lot of technology because agar yarn products customers it's very important to be a dependable supplier to our customers to make sure we give them just-in-time delivery. For that, today is the age of smartphones, mobile phones, technology. And we've tried to use technology smartly even at our plant facility in Silvassa, so that we are far more efficient, we are data driven, and we become a dependable supplier to our customers. Who make video dikhari of our current facility in Silvassa, so you get a feel and flavor of what the facility is. Demand in India is growing, we all know. Our customers are requiring more and more yarns as fashion trends are increasing, e-commerce, online, retail, everything is growing in India and the requirement for yarns are growing and our yarns are used actually. So it was time for us to grow and set up a new facility. So I'm proud to share with you that in 2025, first quarter, we will be starting our new factory in Punjab. This is 80 acres of freehold land, which is about 1.5 from Chandigarh Airport. Here we will be more than doubling our polyester filament yarn production. Hamna 2 lakh ton to our annual capacity che Silvassa, and in Punjab we will start in the first phase with 2,50,000 tons in a phased manner, and in the second phase an additional 1 lakh tons. So total 3,50,000 tons our facility ma ban se in the coming years. So our overall capacity je hamna 2,23,000 tons of yarn che, including all three divisions. In the next 3 years, will reach more than 5,50,000 tons of manufacturing facility. I will show you a video of the upcoming site. Our video 2 minute pehla lido to have to group kaam thayu che on site, but at least it gives you an idea of the new facility.
Introducing Sanathan Polycot, a unit of Sanathan Textiles Ltd. This state-of-the-art polyester filament yarn facility is located in Wazirabad Industrial Park, Punjab. Just 1 kilometer from National Highway 44. This strategic location provides seamless access to key textile hubs like Panipat, Ludhiana, Amritsar, Delhi and NCR. This advanced facility is designed to produce up to 1,000 tons per day of polyester filament yarn, harnessing advanced technology and the best equipment in the industry. Starting with a capacity of 500 tons per day, we aim to reach production of 700 tons in 2025 in phase 1 and further expand capacity in phase 2. For our fully integrated plant will source raw materials like PTA and MEG from local suppliers, and end product will be high quality texturized and FDY yarns. This world-class yarn manufacturing facility will be one of its kind and will set a new benchmark in North India for the textile industry. Construction began in December 2022 with over 1,500 workers building a 2.3 million square feet facility. Now in the final stages of completion, the plant is set to begin operation in the first quarter of 2025. We are dedicated to driving innovation and excellence, ensuring that our customers receive the best products and services. Yarns for fabric of life.
For this journey ahead, we have an interesting family members. Shah independent director છે both પર Mr. Sarkar, who has a vast background in banking. Mr. Khurshid Tanawala was a textile industry expert. He was the chairman and MD of Paresh Group in India. Paresh Group is the largest German-based machine manufacturer for textile. Mr. Vinay Agarwal was associated with Tata Consultancy Services. Mrs. Gopal Vora has a legal background. So it's a great mix of people who are guiding us for our journey ahead. As far as requirement and growth is concerned, after Badane Commercial, the requirements is growing globally as well as in India. The global textile industry is expected to grow by 2.5 to 3.5% in the coming years, whereas India has a robust growth at about 7% in the coming years. And all this growth is going to require yarns, different types of yarns. Government will focus on textiles. They know that textiles is the second largest employer in the country after agriculture. We have the PLI scheme, which is especially focused on man-made and the growth of textiles. And of course, technical textiles is a keen focus for the government of India. Sanjay bhai will just take you through the summarized financials of the company.
Good morning. Company average revenue for the last 3 years was 3150 crores. The average EBITDA for the last 3 years was 340 crores and 10.8%. The average PAT was 14 crores. The company keeps a very low debt equity ratio. In March 24, the debt equity ratio was 0.3. In June 24, it was 0.5. Thank you.
સેકન્ડ કરવા માટે ફરી એકવાર આઈપીઓની ડિટેલ તમને આપી દઉં. આઈપીઓ ઓપન થાય છે ગુરુવાર 19 તારીખે. આઈપીઓ ક્લોઝ થાય છે 21 તારીખ સોમવારે, સોરી 23 તારીખ સોમવારે. આવતીકાલે એકરમુખ છે 18 તારીખે. આઈપીઓની પ્રાઇસ બેન્ડ છે 305 થી 321. આઈપીઓની સાઇઝ છે 550 કરોડ, જેમાં 400 કરોડનું ફ્રેશ ઓફર છે અને 150 કરોડનું ઓએફએક્સ છે. 50% QAP છે, 15% HNI, 35% રિટેલ. વધારે આપણે કોઈ બી માહિતી જોઈતી હોય તો આપણે લંચ ઉપર ડિસ્કશન